Hello guys, today we prepare a stuffed bread. If you already watched the video of bread balls that I already posted, you know that I use the part inside of the bread to make the bread balls. They are kind of meatballs but made with bread. Okay, I know you didn't watch the video, so I'll show you what's happened. So remember to watch also this video after that you finish to wash this one. So you need a loaf bread that you need to make a big hole like this one. Inside here we will make half onion, 250-300 gram of bacon, the fresh one, 100 gram of mozzarella cheese, 100 gram of peas. They was frozen and I boiled it. Up to you, you can use also the one that came, but the taste is not the same. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and a spoon tomato paste. So now I cut the meat and the onion, I put on the pan. When they are well cooked, I add also the peas, and after we take our bread, we put a little bit of pork, peas and onion. If you like, you can do also with the chicken, it's the same. Mozzarella cheese, again the pork with the peas and all the ingredients together. At last, again the mozzarella cheese. We close, we put everything inside the aluminum wrap and we put in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree for 10-15 minutes. After you remove the aluminum and we bake other 5 minutes at 180 Celsius degree. In this way the crust outside will be very crunchy. Okay. Okay, after 15 minutes 180 Celsius degree plus 5 minutes at 210 Celsius degree after they put the tomato and the mozzarella cheese on the top, our stuffed bread is ready. The problem now is too hot, so I cannot taste for you. See you guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share this video with your friends. For any question, down in the comments. Bye bye!